on, jeans?
Hello my friends. How we doing today? I was just testing out the camera mount for the CBR or the GoPro for the Trackday. And I'll switch over in a second just to see. But you can see it right here. See how that works. I want to test vibration and sound and what have you. Should work. How you guys doing today? Well, that's good. How's my buddy 40? And my buddy One Mad Ass? And my buddy Dirty? And my buddy Rob? Mr. Rob? Yeah, just gonna be a quick video. It's not gonna be very long today. Just a few minutes. Got all the cooling changed in the CBR. So that's cool. Got engine ice in it. So it should be icy. Should be ice baby. CBR's pretty much ready to go. I got to go around and take off the reflectors, take off the plate, take off the other mirror, put the block off plate in. See, it has a little block off plate right there for the mirror, so the fairings are still attached. Of course, I gotta get behind Slow McGee. So I did last week I did 150-mile ride on this thing. Yeah, FZR's way, or the FZ's way more comfortable. FZR, where the heck did that come from? Yeah, FZ's way more comfortable. Oh yeah, just sit there and do your shit. Oh my gosh, dude. Stop going the ways I'm going. So I lose one and I gain one. Anyways, my friends, I hope the mount looks pretty good. It sounds pretty good. We'll see how it goes. Anyways, you all have a good evening. Have a good day. Keep the shiny side up. Peace.